Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use basic Vlookup in Microsoft Excel. So how to use basic Vlookup in Microsoft Excel? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Here I have prepared two tables. First, here is a table that already has contents. And the second table is still empty. Later I will move the contents of Table 1 to Table 2, using the Vlookup formula. First, here I will move the name column data to the second table. Tap the name column in the first row. Type equals. Tap the Vlookup formula. Open brackets. Because what we will move is the name in the second column. Tap on the order number in the second column. And block all tables in the first table. And now here we fill in the number of which column we will move, namely the name in the second column. Type 2. Type semicolon. 0 in closing brackets. Tap enter. And here the name that we moved will appear. Here it will adjust from the order number. For the bottom, please tap plus and drag down. Now the bottom one, why is there an error? To fix it, tap the error. On the orange text, delete. And block again all the tables in the first table. Here there are no more errors. Second, here I will move the male/female column data to the second table. Copy the formula on PON-MA that we entered earlier. Tap OK. Now why does the name still come out here, not male or female? Tap. So here for number 2. Here change the column number that we will move. Now because male or female is in column 3, so type 3. Tap enter. And here will appear the text that we move. Here will adjust from the order number. For the bottom, please tap plus and drag down. Now the bottom Y error. To fix it, tap the error. On the orange text, delete. And block again all the tables in the first table. And for the address column, do like methods 1 and 2 earlier. To move address data from table to table 2. So that's it. Tutorial how to use basic Vlookup in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.